Hey guys, welcome back. This is the final video of the Building a SaaS with SaasRock series. I managed to make a SaaS of my own in 10 days using the SaasRock Enterprise boilerplate. Today is July 3rd, but launch day was on the last day of July. And I just did a few things like deploy to the domain, translate the whole site to Spanish, like this. The default actually is Spanish, but I think it will recognize your system's language. And this is the new landing page where I have this feature, and an image gallery like the one on SaasRock site, and of course the newsletter. And then I wrote a blog post, this one, and added this banner right on the top where it redirects to this blog post, where I talk about what is this SaaS, basically 5 features and an image of each feature. You can check this out at this URL. And I posted this tweet, which is basically announcing the launch for Mexican companies to request and receive invoices. And this is the link to the blog post. Although this image should be this one. I think this is because of the cache, but let me try making another tweet. Yeah, I don't know why is that, but if I go to meta tags and I test this URL, here is the image, the correct image for the SEO. And finally, let me show you a bit the dashboard. I added this receipts summary, which is basically based on the workflow state, and I added to my Postmark server a custom domain instead of the subdomain, which was inbound dot and my domain. So I create these aliases on Google Workspace, so my users don't have to write at inbound dot your domain, instead just the domain itself and their slug, their tenant slug. This allows my users to send invoices to their specific custom inbound address like this. I'm going to send this XML, but it will be duplicated. Let me see how long this takes. So it took about 10 seconds, and here it says that it has created 0 XMLs. I'm refreshing the page, so it's created now. So if I go to my invoices, here we have my new XML, which is the one I sent on the email. The other main feature that my users have is that they can upload receipts or tickets, as we call them here. They select which taxpayer ID they want their invoice, and they can upload their receipts, and it will say wait a maximum of 84 hours before this is invoiced. So I get an email. Well, since I uploaded and I'm the admin, I don't get the email, but if a user sends an invoice, it will look like this. This user submitted this ticket to this tenant, and this is the ticket right here. So my employees or my my company will make sure that this ticket is invoiced. And before, I had another SaaS that read the receipt details with OCR technology, but it was too much work for little reward. So I don't think I will be doing this. But if I add it, I will add it to the SaasRock Enterprise Edition. So this invoice could be listed for read the lines, and so I have to copy and paste instead of manually capturing, my company employees manually capturing. And that's basically it. It was a pretty easy day, but the hard part, of course, was to write the whole blog post, because explaining your SaaS is not often easy, because you have to rephrase the functionality to other people so they can simply understand. So that's basically it. I wanted to make this SaaS so bad so I can validate SaasRock as a ready to production boilerplate. I hope you like this, and maybe in the future I will make another SaaS, but I won't make SaaSes like just for the sake of doing them. I want to find good ideas, and maybe you can benefit from them. So thanks for watching this whole series, and subscribe for new updates on the SaasRock Core and Enterprise editions, or join the Discord server and hit me up with a DM. Thanks.